PSC മുൻവർഷ ചോദ്യപേപ്പറിൽ 2014 ആലപ്പുഴ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നമ്മളിന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അതിലെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മളിന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് 4. A bridge was being built by them. A bridge was being built by them. The active voice of the sentence is they were building a bridge. They are building a bridge. They had built a bridge. They was building a bridge. Inscription on a gravestone is called epilogue, epitaph, obituary, prologue. Epilogue, epitaph, obituary, prologue. Carpe diem means enjoy the present day, best day, unrestricted authority, hated. Carpe diem means enjoy the present day, best day, unrestricted authority, hated. The opposite of the word persuade is impersuade, unpersuade, impersuade, dissuade. The opposite of the word persuade is. The Prime Minister winds up the Sri Lankan visit. Here winds up means begins, ends, continues, none of the above. The Prime Minister winds up the Sri Lankan visit. Winds up means begins, ends, continues, none of the above. Which among the following is a verb? Which among the following is a verb? Canvas, envelope, canvas, advice. Canvas, envelope, canvas, advice. The word clandestine means clear, tiresome, doubtful, secret. Clear, tiresome, doubtful, secret. Which of the following is correctly spelled? Connoisseur, CONOISSEUR, CONNOISEUR, CONNOISEUR. കറക്റ്റ് സ്പെൽറ്റ് വേർഡ് ഏതാണെന്നാണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. He said, I bought a house in Mumbai. The indirect speech of the sentence is, he said that he bought a house in Mumbai. He said that he was bought a house in Mumbai. He said that he had bought a house in Mumbai. He said that he has bought a house in Mumbai. I bought a house in Mumbai. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഇൻഡയറക്റ്റ് സ്പീച്ച് ഏതാണെന്നാണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇൻഡയറക്റ്റ് സ്പീച്ച്. He is as dash B. He is as dash B. Tricky, greedy, fresh, nimble. Tricky, greedy, fresh, nimble. He took revenge dash his foes. He took revenge dash his foes. For, on, by, in. For, on, by, in. He admitted his dash. He admitted his dash. Guilty, innocent, guilt, happy. Guilty, innocent, guilt, happy. He admitted his dash. He admitted his dash. If you had been more polite dash. If you had been more polite dash. He would have agreed. He could agree. He would agree. He has agreed. He would have agreed. He could agree. He would agree. He has agreed. If you had been more polite dash. We dash all yesterday. We dash all yesterday. have worked, were worked, has worked, worked. Have worked, were worked, has worked, worked. He dash, or we dash all yesterday. We dash all yesterday. I am not at all satisfied. I am not at all satisfied. R into I, am I, R I, am into I. R into I, am I, R I, am into I. I am not at all satisfied. I am not at all satisfied. It is a very wonderful opportunity. The sentence is dash. It is a very wonderful opportunity. The sentence is dash. Imperative, exclamatory, assertive, interrogative. Imperative, exclamatory, assertive, interrogative. It is very wonderful opportunity. It is very wonderful opportunity. Imperative, exclamatory, assertive, interrogative. Choose the incorrect part of the sentence. Choose the incorrect part of the sentence. First one, much water. Second, has flown. Third, under. Fourth, the bridge. Much water has flown under the bridge. ഇതിലെ incorrect part ഏതാണെന്നാണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. The feminine gender of milkman is milkmaid, milkwoman, milk lady, milk girl. The feminine gender of milkman, milkmaid, milkwoman, milk lady, milk girl. The idiom hot under the collar means, hot under the collar means satisfied, angry, happy, confused. Satisfied, angry, happy, confused. Hot under the collar means satisfied, angry, happy, confused. Complete the saying. Well begun is dash. Well begun is dash. Full completed, just started, not started, half done. Full completed, just started, not started, half done. Well begun is dash. Well begun is dash. Answers. First one, they were building a bridge. They were building a bridge. Second one, epitaph. E-P-I-T-A-P-H. Epitaph. Third one, enjoy the present day. Enjoy the present day. Fourth one, dissuade. D-I-S-S-U-A-D-E. Fifth one, ends. Fifth one, ends. Sixth, canvas. C-A-N-V-A-S-S. C-A-N-V-A-S-S. Seventh one, secret. S-E-C-R-E-T. Secret. Eighth one, connoisseur. C-O-N-N-O-I-S-S-E-U-R. C-O-N-N-O-I-S-S-E-U-R. Ninth one, he said that he had bought a house in Mumbai. He said that he had bought a house in Mumbai. 10th one, nimble. N-I-M-B-L-E. 11th one, on. 12th, guilt. 13th, he would have agreed. He would have agreed. 14th, worked. 14th, worked. 15, am I. 15, am I. 16, assertive. Assertive. 17, has flown. Has flown. Correct. Has flowed. 18, milkmaid. 18, milkmaid. 19, angry. Angry. 20th, half done. Half done. Am I, assertive, has flown, milkmaid, angry, half done.